What if I told you that you can save significant amount of money per year just by switching to an electric vehicle? Sounds too good to be true? Well, let's break down the real cost of owning an EV in the Philippines. Let's start with the biggest question. Is owning an EV actually cheaper? At first glance, electric vehicles look expensive, but the real story is not the price. It's the cost of ownership over time. Let's talk about fuel versus electricity cost. This is a simple comparison of running costs per kilometer. Later on, we'll see in details on the table. But to have the overview, here you can see gasoline car, 4 pesos to 5 pesos per kilometer. So given the price of 60 to 70 per liter and the efficiency range of 12 to 15 kilometer per liter. And for electric vehicle is 1 peso to 2 pesos per kilometer with a price of 10 to 13 pesos per kilowatt hour and the efficiency range of 6 to 7 kilometers per kilowatt hour.